Your products are complex, but what if selling them were simple? What if people could see and interact with them before they buy? While customer demand for personalized, self-service digital options continue to rise, many flashy visual configuration tools are too error-prone or simply not built to handle a constantly changing business environment. With Epicor CPQ, you can deliver an accurate and immersive buying experience for your sales rep, distributors, and customers, enabling you to visually configure, price, and quote any kind of product in 2D, 3D, and augmented and virtual reality. Go beyond just showing an interactive model of your product with a truly end-to-end solution that makes complex products easy to understand from start to finish. Ensure every order is accurate and error-free without sacrificing the user experience by creating product visualizations that strictly follow rules set by your sales and manufacturing teams. Simplify the maintenance of your CPQ thanks to a user-friendly, no-code engine, and even visualize product configurations to auto-generate CAD drawings, bills of materials, assembly instructions, and more. Enable guided visual selling by showcasing your products in a virtual showroom that renders your products in immersive 3D with state-of-the-art graphics that realistically simulate the actual materials used to build them. Seamlessly embed an Epicor CPQ visual configurator onto your website, giving customers across channels self-service options to view and customize any type of product wherever they are. Once configured, customers can customize their products and see pricing in real time, helping to drive sales by building excitement and reducing purchase anxiety. Design and build custom products from scratch using a drag-and-drop interface, and ensure what's built is functional thanks to pre-configured materials and manufacturing requirements. And support any number of unique use cases with flexible options to configure advanced projects that automatically generate accurate material lists with prices. Even allow your customers to preview a highly realistic, accurately scaled version of their product in their backyard or wherever they want, using augmented or virtual reality. Trusted by some of the world's biggest brands, Epicor CPQ is empowering businesses with smart visual selling that drives sales, eliminates manufacturing bottlenecks, and creates unforgettable customer experiences. Learn more at kbmax.com.